In Kenya, pastoralists are exploring ways to mitigate the effects of climate change and population increase, especially in semi-arid regions. Programs to improve cattle ranching in wildlife-rich areas are being explored as a way to help pastoralists maintain their traditional lifestyles and make a living at the same time. For centuries, the size of the herd symbolized the level of wealth among the pastoralist communities of the East African nation. But with the region's increasingly severe droughts devastating large numbers of cattle and increasing human population, which has put more and more pressure on available pasturage, communities are realizing that they have to make adjustment to their treasured tradition of raising cattle. This group of Maasai visits a conservancy in central Kenya that offers a unique program which aims to make pastoralism in Kenya's Rift Valley more sustainable, not only for the pastoralists and their herds, but also for the wildlife they live alongside. As the herds run by Olpejeta Conservancy gather on its ranchlands to be sprayed for parasites, Deputy Livestock Manager Joseph Mathenge explains the concept to the visiting Maasai pastoralists.
We actually feel that we can have integration, livestock wildlife integration, positively by using cattle or using livestock as a tool to manage the rangeland.
The idea is to build a sustainable, high-quality herd that adapts well to the harsh conditions and then graze them similar to the way herds of wild animals graze on the Rift Valley's range. Wild animal herds of buffalo, wildebeest, and zebra are usually kept well bunched up by predators like the lion. That means they have a big impact on a small grazing area, churning up soil, sowing grass seeds, and fertilizing as they go. Then when it rains, the ground is well prepared to grow new pasturage. Livestock managers at Olpejeta are able to use compact cattle herds to reproduce this effect and improve the pasturage available to their cattle even during droughts over a short period of time.
So because you cannot actually manage the grazing patterns of the wildlife, they will graze whatever they want, whenever they want. But with cattle, you can actually walk them, you can hunt them to certain areas. Once identified, we put these cattle into these areas in a bunched manner. You actually have to graze them close together, such that their impact on the rank growing grasses is actually identifiable or seen within a short period of time.
The advantages of running livestock alongside wildlife are obvious at Olpejeta, which is also one of Kenya's better-known tourist destinations. The conservancy is also home to the world's largest single herd of Boran cattle, a breed developed from local stock which is extremely resistant to disease and drought. With high meat yield, fewer Boran can be grazed to produce the same amount of meat as larger numbers of other cattle.
The place I come from, we have very little cattle. That those cattle they don't provide us the money we want. So that's why it's important for me to learn is good.
Pressure from growing populations may bring about huge changes across Africa, but adapting might make it possible for the pastoralist communities to maintain the lifestyle their community have chosen to lead for hundreds of years while ensuring food security for themselves.